Dear students, today we are going to discuss about tissue culture. What is the meaning of tissue culture? How many steps are involved in tissue culture? What are the advantages of tissue culture? So here the meaning of tissue culture. Tissue culture is completely laboratory technique. The plants growing, culturing and maintaining of the cells, tissues and organs to be developed in vitro. That is called tissue culture. Okay, now generally cropping plants or hybrid cropping plants are grown for the soil, depend on the surrounding environment. But nowadays will be well developed biotechnology in this time. So to be well developed hybrid cropping plants and vegetable plants and also fruiting plants within a short period of the time to a limited space in their grown in laboratory, to be not utilized in the soil, only to be provided a soil of the mineral nutrients or mineral elements and mineral elements as well as growth regulators. That is the meaning of plant tissue culture. Once again, plant tissue culture is completely laboratory technique. The plants which are grown, culturing and maintaining of the cells, tissues and organs in the vitro, that is called plant tissue culture. So this plant tissue cultures are involved 6 steps. First step are here preparation of nutrient culture medium. Second step are here sterilization of culture medium. Third step are here preparation of explant. Fourth step are here inoculation of explant. Fifth step are here incubation for growth. Sixth step are here acclimatization of plantlets and transfer to pots. Okay, now it was earlier scientists during 1950s that whole plant can be regenerated from the explants. Explants means any part of the plant body taken out, and growing culture medium to be providing a sufficient nutrient culture medium, and then after to be generated a new plant for any cell, that is called totipotency. By means tissue culture is always depend upon to the totipotency. Totipotency means plant of the any part is always generated. Part of the plant of the any part, plant body of the any part will be again generated. That is called totipotency. So here tissue culture is always depend upon to the totipotency. Okay, now any part of the plant body taken out, that is called explant. This explant are grown in a test tube and added culture medium. Then after to be generated a new plant for any cell, that is called totipotency. So here tissue culture is always depend upon to the totipotency. Okay, now first step are here preparation of nutrient culture medium. Okay now. So in this laboratory technique, so first of all to be taken of test tubes. So this test tubes to be filled with nutrient culture medium. To be filled with nutrient culture medium. This nutrient culture medium containing carbon sources of sucrose, inorganic salts, vitamins, amino acids and growth regulators. Amino acids and growth regulators. This is the first step of preparation of nutrient culture medium. Okay now. Preparation of nutrient culture medium. Tissue culture is totally one of the laboratory technique. In this laboratory to be taken up some amount of the test tubes. So in this test tube to be fulfilled with nutrient culture medium, to be fulfilled with nutrient culture medium, the nutrient culture medium containing carbon sources of sucrose, inorganic salts, okay now, vitamins, amino acids and growth regulators. So here this nutrient culture medium is attracted by some of the microorganisms. So in this time, so this test tube of nutrient culture medium carried out by sterilization. That is sterilization of culture medium. Already one test tube containing sufficient nutrient culture medium. This culture medium is also containing sucrose, inorganic salts, vitamins, amino acids and growth regulators. So some amount of sucrose is also containing and vitamins also containing. In this time some of the microorganisms to be attracted of the culture medium. So in this time to be test tube of culture medium carried out sterilization process. So here the culture medium carried out one sterilization process that is called autoclave. That is called autoclave. So in this autoclave, so to be killing of the microorganisms. So here culture medium of the autoclave to be evolved to 15 minutes time at 121 degrees centigrade and 15 pounds of pressure to be applied. In this time, so several harmful microorganisms are to be killing. That is the steam sterilization. Okay now, nutrient culture medium is sterilized by steam sterilization, that is called autoclave. In this process, totally killing of the microorganisms are harmful pathogens. This is the second step for here, sterilization of culture medium. So culture medium is always sterilized by autoclave. So in this autoclave to be killing of the some harmful microorganisms and some harmful pathogens. So being of the time 15 minutes, temperature 121 degrees centigrade and pressure of the pounds 15 pounds of the pressure to be applied. In this time, so several harmful pathogens and microorganisms to be killing. Next one here, preparation of explant. So next one here, preparation of explant. So any part of the plant body taken out, that is called explant. Any part of the plant body taken out, that is called explant. To be taken, plant body of the root, plant body of the stem, plant body of the leaf, plant body of the flower. To be taken any part of the plant body, that is called explant. Okay, no? That is called explant. This is explant. So this is a nutrient culture medium of test tube. This is the explant of test tube. This is the explant of test tube. So first step are here preparation of nutrient culture medium. So this is a nutrient culture medium of test tube. Second step are here sterilization of culture medium. Third step are here preparation of explant. This is a explant of test tube. This is a explant of test tube. Next one is here. So inoculation of explant. So this explant to be transferred. This explant to be transferred. This explant to be transferred in the test tube. This explant to be transferred in the test tube. That is called inoculation. That is called inoculation. This explant to be transferred in the test tube. That is called inoculation. To be provided a aseptic environment. To be provided a aseptic environment. That is called inoculation of explant. Okay, now three steps are here. First one here preparation of nutrient culture medium. Second step are here sterilization of culture medium. Third step are here preparation of explant. Fourth step are here inoculation of explant. This is a first step diagram. This is a third and fourth step diagram. Third and fourth step diagram. Okay, now so first step are here preparation of nutrient culture medium, and then after to be fulfilled with culture medium in their test tube. Next one is here to be transferred explant. To be transferred explant in the test tube. In the test tube.